Hello, this is a recording for Tuesday, February 17th. Today's practice is titled In a Pinch. This is a simple, memorable technique you can use anytime to manage stress. Take a comfortable position and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Now take a deep breath in, and when you're ready, a long breath out. Again, whenever you're ready, slowly inhale and then slowly exhale, softening your jaw. Inhale and exhale, softening your shoulders. Inhale and exhale, softening your whole upper body. Inhale and exhale, softening your whole lower body. Entire body is relaxed as it can be in this moment. Hold that feeling of staying relaxed without effort. I'll be silent for about a minute to let you enjoy the experience. If you need to, repeat the steps we just went through to relax even deeper. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I embody that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice. I will see you on Thursday. Have a beautiful day.